Are you able to show up for life's events with great passion? Is keeping up appearances on social media more valuable than fully experiencing the unabashed joys that life can bring? Do you dread getting up and going to work in the morning? With this course, you will understand and experience that living your life on purpose and showing up for life with great passion enables you to joyfully create your life experience and become a valuable contributor to the experiences of others. You are not perfect. None of us are. You forget and you make mistakes. But when you remember your true self, you can reassert your intention, and the fruits of your intention are revealed to you. Wake up with a sense of purpose. Be grateful. This is bliss. This is passion. Approach life with an attitude of happiness and a feeling of celebration. Become a passionate builder.